Goedemorgen allemaal. Good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday. Pupunta tayong Belgium. It's currently 6:16 ng umaga. Gumising. So, maghihintay lang kami ng train to Belgium. From Central Station, magta-train lang kami and then magpapalit kami ng, or magta-transfer kami ng train to Brussels, Midi. So, yeah. We were going to be there for about a day. Actually, 1 night and 2 days. May meet kami dong friend na galing Philippines. Hello, Kuya Ryan and Ate Mache and the kids. So, see you later. Hi, Bob. Are you happy?
Hi, good morning.
Are you happy?
Yeah, of course.
Kami. Ang ganang tao. Just really early. Hi guys, nasa loob na tayo ng train, pero kasi bawal maingay, so hindi ako mapag-vlog. It's currently 7:15 or 7:20 ng umaga. So 2 hours from Schiphol Airport or Schiphol Airport to Brussels, Midi. Doon tayo bababa, and then mag-tram na lang tayo to our hotel. That hotel, by the way, we were there for 4 times and it's our favorite hotel to stay in if we were going to Brussels. That hotel called the Thon Hotel. That's very convenient to go everywhere sa Brussels, or if you want to go to somewhere else in Belgium, you must stay there because it's nearby the city center, shopping malls, Grand Palace. So, lagi kami doon nag-i-stay kasi super duper comfortable. And then, nung last 4 times namin nag-stay doon, lagi kami nasa top floor. And then, pag ganun, happy ako kasi nakikita ko, dami ko nakikita throughout the Brussels. Nare-relax ako, nare-relax kami ni Bob. Alam mo yun, kasi ang Brussels is medyo malapit na sa heart namin dahil every time na mag-burnout kami, dun kami pumupunta at least 2 nights, or last time actually nandun kami from Christmas to New Year. So at least I think we were stayed there for 6 nights. And then 6 mornings na kumain din kami sa breakfast nila. Galing. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung saan yung Thon Hotel. It was just in the Rogier station from the tram, by the way. From Brussels South, or Brussels, is it that South? I forgot. Oh, Brussels North. Pwede mo siyang lakarin from station to Thon Hotel. But yeah, we'll see you there in Brussels later on. Bye! dito sa Brussels. Ito ang Brussels midi. Here. Nandito na tayo sa midi. Kain kids. Ito yung station nila. Brussels midi. Fish. So, punta tayo sa metro station. Kung natatandaan pa namin, dito siya. So, going to Rokier kami. I think dito yun to. Dito yun. So, 6 months before, nandito kami. After 6 months, nandito ulit kami. That is Express. We missed Carrefour. Kasi wala naman sa Netherlands na Carrefour. So, miss namin ng Carrefour. Ay, we miss it. Pwede. Ano, Gare de Nord? Gare de Nord is Paris. Batay escalator. Yeah. So, tayo. Then going to Rokier, but we need to buy apple. Look at this. This is my favorite pastry in Paris. Paul. Meron din dito sa Belgium actually. But yung favorite ko dito wala. Yeah. Can we buy tickets? Yeah, can we buy a ticket? Yeah, but if we go to 4 again, it will be the thing. I think we go for other side. Yeah. Ito yung bilihan ng ticket nila, guys. So, we gaan naar Engels. We gaan naar Engels. Or Netherlands, maybe. Purchase mobile basic paper ticket. 280 paper ticket, 1 journey. Tokbab. Or 1 day, no? Eh, hindi ka? Yeah, because pupunta tayo ng...
When you make trip,
yeah. And then 2. I don't have money. Can I have your money? So, wala akong nakalagay na pera dito.
Pay.
So,
Card or what?
17 tak. Miss 10. Will I here? Wait, transaction canceled. Again. Okay. Please put your mobile card. No, I'm gonna buy 2 tickets for 1 day. And then 1 day, but 1 day. I need to go back because I need to buy 2 tickets. Guys, nandito na kami sa malapit sa hotel. So, ayun yung hotel, Ton. So, ito yung view. I'm gonna show you guys the view. Dito kami galing. Yan. Then, yan. So, papunta na kaming hotel. Papunta na kaming hotel. Super lamig actually. May storm. Nakakainis lang kasi may storm. Ang lakas ng hangin. So sana maging okay yung maging tour namin today with Bob's friend. So titignan lang namin kung makakapag-check-in kami ng maaga. Pag hindi, edi wait tayo. Punta muna tayong Midi. Midi to.
May record ka dito, di ba?
No, that's only your name.
O, di my name. Try it.
Yeah.
Try
Okay.
it.
See you later.
My name.
Ito yung hotel. This is the hotel. Hotel. Here. Pag nandito pa kayo sa Brazos, pwede kayong yeah. Basta maganda dito. Hi guys, nandito na kami. So, magro-room tour tayo. So, dito kami. Mostly dito kami sa side na to. But, the first time dito kami sa kabila. So, eto na yung entrance. Pagpasok mo, lagyan natin to. Pagpasok mo, toilet and bathroom. We have small bathtub. Ito yung gusto namin sa taon kasi may bathtub lagi. And then may sauna sa taas. Nandiyan na rin yung toilet. Meron ka dyang cabinet para sa mga toiletries mo. Yan. And then meron ka dito. Ito yung entrance. Pag pasok mo sa likod ng pinto, ito yung lalagyanan ng luggage or meron siyang lalagyanan hanggang sa ibaba. May vault din. And then, ito tayo ngayon for today's video. And then, meron silang sabitan dito ng mga damit or bathrobe or something like that. Here's the kama. Yan. So, may TV. And then, may table ako dito. And then, merong fridge, which is they have a complement water. And then, ito yung view natin. Where's the view? View from the other hotel. Yan. Before dun kami sa kabila, mas maganda yung view actually. But that's okay. And then, maganda din kasi 27th floor kami. So, ayan yung view. So, guys, mabilis lang kami dito kasi may kikitain pa kaming friend, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, kung saan kami bumaba, babalik kami doon. Kaya gusto lang namin mag-check-in today para maibaba namin yung mga gamit. And then, I think pupunta kami sa Atomium after namin silang kuhanin doon sa station, sunduin. And then, pupunta tayong Grand Palace. But I think that's my second vlog for today sa Grand Palace. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba na naman yung vlog. So, kailangan nating mag-second day ng vlog today. Yeah? We'll see you later. Bababa lang kami para mag-coffee and then go na kami sa station again. See you soon! Hi guys! Papunta na tayo ulit na station ng Brussels Miri. Ayan, papunta na tayo. Enjoy the view. We can go here, I think.
Yeah.
So, yung metro nila tsaka tram nasa ibaba. So, hindi katulad sa Amsterdam. Tapat lang ng bahay namin. Nung hindi ginagawa. Pero kasi ginagawa ngayon. Ang dilim. Yan, dumilim. So, this is Metro Sway and Ses. Saan tayo? Walang metro fear and ano dito. So, babalik kami. Nakalagay, di ba? So, sa kabila pala. Pay for back to
Sway and Ses. Midi.
Happy Bakan. So, ito yung metro nila na tinitignan namin. Yan. Kung pwede kami. Gary Denur is Kane, Bob, Alintin, and Veer.
Let's go.
So, akala naman pwede kami dito sa kabila pala. Tatawid kami. So, ang lamig actually. Hindi ka nilalamig? Di ba kami nagko-coffee? Or nag-hot chocolate? Because kanina ay napaka what? Babalik tayo?
na tayo.
Tingnan mo naman.
Super windy.
Super windy. Ang buhok ko nilalamig. Ay, nilalamig. Nagugulo. Ang gulo ng utak ko. So, yan. Yung gitna nito, Starbucks din. Cute. Yan. Alam mo, ang vlog ko laging nagmamadali, guys. Kasi, laging nagmamadali buhay namin. Sana tomorrow, ang buhay namin ibabay slow down. Kasi hanggang Belgium, nagmamadali kami. Sa dami ng commitment namin, sa dami ng gagawin namin, guys, yan mo yung bababaan natin.
Super lalim.
Super lalim niya. Kita nyo ba? So, ayun na nga. Diba? Baba na tayo kasi malilate na talaga tayo. Kanina buti na lang naabutan nating nag-ano yan, oh. Hindi na yun, oh. Buti na abutan natin. Here, we can... Oh, it's Sway and Ses. No, we can... Oh! Okay. There, guys. No, here I think we can. So I have tickets. I bought 1 day ticket. So, ito lang. Then open Sesame. Then going down like we did. Then we can do the escalator. Oh, elevator. We can do elevator.
Or maybe escalator.
Alam mo, super saya lang namin kapag together kami. Oh, that is Fear and Team Stale. So, here. We can do it here. Another one. So, guys, maghahanap tayo from, Churchill na tayo, no? Kahapon. Kanina. An hour ago. So, dito na tayo sa kabila. Dito na tayo. Then, ito yung station. Kung saan papunta yung tram. Dapat dito kami kasi kanina nandun kami sa kabila. So, yeah. Kaya namin tram. And I think it's in 1 minute nandiyan yung tram. Tayo natin yung tram. Hey guys! Nagkita-kita na sila for 20 years. Say hi to the vlog! Si Kuya Ryan, si Ate Mache, si Kuya Marlon, si Basti, and Antonio! Yeah, welcome to Belgium! Ayun, tara, punta tayo sa Tomyum.
Para sa mga bata. Tapos, waffles na yun. Balik na tayo sa... Baka naisip pa namin
Sa Tomyum na kami. So, ito yung station. Then, ito sila. Happy! Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa Tomyum. Look at this one. Yan yung Tomyum sa Belgium. Pag pupunta kayo ng Brussels, ito yung una nyong makikita. Very nice. Structure siya, puro siya bakal actually. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Swear. Yan. Dito. Brussels Midi Station. Magta-tram lang kayo. Doon sila sa likod. Na-enjoy nila yung view. So, yeah, after 6 months. So, hindi pa ako nagba-vlog nun eh. So, kaya ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami lagi. Tapos dito meron din marerent na bikes, ganyan. Ay, sorry, hindi pa ako sanay sa DJI. Ayan. Kailangan nyo lang yan ng ATM card para ma-rent. Tsaka yung mga ganun, no. Nung last time na nandito kami, pumasok kami sa loob ng Tomyum. Kaso, ngayon, hindi kami papasok. Takes time to see the inside of Tomyum. Pero, pwede ko din i-insert yung clip dito.